Welcome to my car and train channel. Let's speak about Caboose, and here we are at the train station, which is also a train museum in Madison, Indiana. The Caboose was a very important railcar in a consist, and before we go in, let me show you the brake, because one of the important functions of the Caboose was to brake. And this Caboose has also, as you can see here, the air brake system. So both the mechanical and the air system. You need to think about the Caboose as an office on wheels. So you have the table where people could work and fill out documents. You have banks where you were able to store equipment. You had the food side with the stove where you could cook and also warm the Caboose. And here there is a little bit of explanations. Here you have the ice box, the water. So imagine it's almost like a motorhome. And then the heart of the Caboose, what makes it unique, is the cupola. So, excuse me if I am going to shake a little bit the video, but you had a 360 degrees view on the consist. And from both sides. So, a very well designed railcar for the purpose of managing a train consist. Here you have the sleeping quarters. I'm sure that here they are going to tell you exactly everything that I've said. And again, the brake system for the brakeman. So in all trains, when it was mechanical, you had only one brake car every 2 or 3 brake cars. So that was the way to brake the entire consist. And people would run from one rail car to the other to be able to brake the entire consist. I don't know if they were running on the roofs as we see them on movies, like Hollywood portrayed that. But I know that they were going from one rail car to the other to brake. The locomotive had brakes, but it was mostly for the locomotive, so you had to brake the entire consist. This one has been equipped of the air system, as I indicated at the beginning of the video. So if you want to see the other side of the cupola, and again, apologize for shaking the camera, but you see, it's like a mirador on wheel, very well designed. So the call, I think I mentioned that. And now we are at the end of the visit, and we are going to say goodbye to the Caboose in 2 ways. It's the end of the visit, it's the end of the video, but it ended with the arrival of new technologies and trains that were Caboose-less. And of course, it's speaking also about the bearing monitoring to make sure that it was not overheating. So if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. And I have many more Caboose videos, including a trip in a private Caboose. Again, thank you very much for watching this video.